Engineering pieces together an interesting new project.
Vital car parts are replaced in auto collision.
All that and more in the first Archers TV edition of 2025.
I'm Tony Madigan.
And I'm AJ Lee. Welcome back to another year of Archers TV.
We know you missed it, so let's start this year off right with learning by doing, where the exceptional skill of our student body is showcased through hands-on projects. This week, Mr. Nystrom's Engineering 1 students learned the value of testing equipment. The class constructed test beds to learn how to control physical parts through coding programs on their computers. They had to read schematic diagrams to understand how to assemble the components. This included proper placement of moving parts as well as wiring the circuit to a motor. They then had to test the circuit remotely by powering up lights and gears through their laptops. Students collaborated in teams to complete this construction.
Mr. Castro's auto collision repair worked on replacing the windows in car doors. Students had to disassemble salvaged doors to access the windows. This involved sending power to the door to move the window into the correct position to be released. They had to remove armrest panels and window guides by locating all the connecting bolts and taking the door apart piece by piece. Even though it's February, it's never too late to make a New Year's resolution.
As a studio, our New Year's resolution for 2025 is to make the show better than ever.
For our final segment today, we asked ACC what their New Year's resolutions are for 2025.
My New Year's resolution is to go to the gym every day because that's what I used to do, but I fell out of the habit last year.
My New Year's resolution is to try hard in my statistics class.
My New Year's resolution is to be more kind to myself and to others.
My New Year's resolution is to go to the field and practice soccer with my dad once or twice a week.
I'm going to try to eat 200 grams of protein a day.
My resolution is for New Year's is a job interview.
My New Year's resolution is to get more sleep.
My New Year's resolution is to get 9,000 trophies in Clash Royale.
To reach Diamond 3 in Siege.
My New Year's resolution is to stay off social media as much as possible and to get closer to God.
My New Year's resolution is to be more productive, especially in school.
Do you have any resolutions for the new year?
Yeah, I do. I resolved to finish my last semester in high school with all A's.
That's awesome. I believe in you.
Thank you. That's it for the show today. I'm AJ Lee.
And I'm Tony Madigan. And we will see you next week, Archers.